There's a close-up. Arguably, if I leaped for him, I could catch him. But I think he looks better just sitting there than in my hand. And look how rough his tail is. That is interesting texture. Arizona mountain lizard. That's what I'm naming you. I'm sure you have an actual name, but you can see a little bit of the blue tint on the tail. It's pretty cool. He's a cool guy. Oh, you guys want me to name him? Oh. Yeah. So, pretty sure this is a boy. Because I don't think the females fight over territory. I could be wrong. But I don't believe so. So, we'll name him Mike. What's up, Mike? Where'd Zach go? No, the guy you were fighting with. Where'd he run off to?